Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix Samsung Health app not working. So if you're currently experiencing that exact problem and you want to be able to fix it, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to actually close your Samsung Health app, and instead we're going to go into our settings app. So open up your settings app and then you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. And now what you're going to do in here is to just scroll down until you can see where it says general. So click on general, because then it should now take you to this page, which is perfect. So on this page, scroll down a little bit and click on storage in here, as you can see. And now on this page, we're just going to scroll down until we can find the Samsung Health app in here, of course. So I'm just going to keep scrolling down until I can find it. It should be somewhere in here actually. Oh, here it is. Perfectly. So click on the Samsung Health app. Now click on Offload app, and once again click on Offload app. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again. And by the way, I did this myself, and after that it actually worked for me. So as you can see on the Samsung Health app icon right now, it says loading, right? So that means that it's now actually automatically updating to the newest version. So do this and then go back into the app, and I hope that this will now be fixed for you as well.